Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Style Samurai. I will teach you everything you need to know about style, about fashion, about flow. Today we'll be talking about the Malibu Naviforce wristwatch. It's called the Naviforce 9158 Malibu watch, and it's gonna blow your mind. But before we get into that, intro. Today, welcome to the Style Samurai, where we're telling you about the Naviforce 9158 Malibu wristwatch. We've got the bag here. It's a black bag with red accents, and it's looking good from what I see. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna tell you everything about this wristwatch. We've got one to review and to check out what's in the bag. And we come in a little white box, as you can see. There's Naviforce written on it with silver lettering. Yeah, that's cool. I used to gold, but hey, these guys have done something different here. There's another box on it, there's another covering. The Malibu 9158 wristwatch. Zinc alloy wristwatch with 24 chrome case. Has a 3-year warranty on it, and it's water resistant with luminous hand dials. So even at night you can see. And what I can see here is this. What was this? That's the manual. So the wristwatch comes with a manual. How bad can you get? That's a badass wristwatch there. So I think it has everything you need to know about the wristwatch. It has how to set a timer, how to set a dial, how to set a date. It has 3 individual dials that all work. This is not scam. It's like a real legit working wristwatch. All the dials. So we'll drop that now. With your warranty card, you can always take it to the store, to the website to change it if your watch has any issues with it. And bust your head, this watch comes with a 3-year warranty on the battery. So you're sure that for the next 3 years, say 2023, you're sure of having battery and juice always in your wristwatch. It's not going to die on you. Secondly, it's a quartz wristwatch. You know what that means? That means it's automatically set to always be precise. Normal wristwatches or the hand-wound chronograph wristwatches have to be wound from time to time. Can go out of sync after a week or so, but this one is always accurate. And it's simple in its packaging. It's basic, it doesn't take too much out of it. Silver straps, black accents, and a little bit of red on the dials. And the luminance that comes out when there's no light, and you just need to see what's the time. It's there. So it's basic, not too many thrills and bells on this wristwatch, but it works, I tell you. You can look at my wrist. I've been wearing one for the past 2 years. It was a gift from a friend, and it still works. Same strap, same battery, nothing has changed. It's awesome. It's quality, so I recommend this for anybody who wants to get a wristwatch and has a little small budget. People always ask me what wristwatch am I wearing because it looks really good. And it's for less money. It's one of the things you need to have as a guy. A working wristwatch that doesn't disappoint. You go for leather or mesh. Depends on you. Choices are endless. But I like my leather. So we're done with this unit. It's perfect. It's good. We give it a 5-star rating. And thank you very much for watching today. Please subscribe.